2023 is here and I wish you all a very happy new year. There are two different opinions people have going into the new year. In the first opinion, people believe that this is the right time to contemplate on the last year's good and bad and take this as an opportunity to take new initiative or start with a new goal. In the other opinion, people believe that this is just another day, so keep doing what good you have always been doing. Both are fine. I believe 1 year is a reasonable time frame to think about what has worked for you and what has not worked for you. Most important thing is to get started, and this is the perfect opportunity to take a new initiative, new goal, something you always have wanted to do but you did not start. So if you want to work on your health or start with the content creation or spend more time with the family or whatever goal you wanted to always achieve, this is the perfect time to start with those goals. Once you start, rest of the pieces will always fall in place. So for this year, I have decided to create learning videos and tutorials, open source project for aspiring developers. I have created a list of topics that I'm going to cover in the coming year. So if you have any topic or concept that you want me to take, please comment below and I will start working on it. So wishing you again a very happy new year. Take care.